Hello sir, it's me again, Marnel Arcolan, and today sir I'm going to answer the tasks under the Unit 8. Today I'm going to use the MySQL workbench to answer them. So I'm going to demonstrate what are the steps that I use to solve the task. So let's start sir. Okay, I'm open already my workbench. So I'm going to use the classic models database. The task one is display product name, product vendor, quantity in stock, and text description of all products. Okay sir, I'm going to combine the two tables, the products tables and product lines, and also I'm answer this task one by using the two syntax 1 and syntax 2, using the inner join. The first syntax, select product name, product vendor, quantity in stock, text description. From products, their alias, products P, inner join, product lines, alias P1, then on P, product line, equals P1 dot product line. Okay sir, I'm going to run this to show if this commands is correct. This is now the output: product name, product vendor, quantity in stock, text description. The second syntax, I'm going to copy this and paste, then remove the alias, then insert using product line. Okay sir, going to run this. Same result. Okay sir, the next task is display the customer name, order number, order date, status, and customer number of all orders of customers. Again sir, combining the two tables, the customers and orders table. Okay, first I'm going to show the first syntax. Select customer name, order number, order date, status, see that customer number, from customers. C alias inner join orders on C that customer number equals O customer number. Okay sir, I'm going to run this syntax if to figure out. So we can see now these are now the output: customer name, order number, order date, status, customer number. The second syntax, copying this, Control C, Control B. I'm gonna remove this one, their alias, then input using customer number. Then I'm gonna run this. Yun, they are same output. The next task is task 3. Display the names, email, office address, office phone number of all employees in France and UK. Okay sir, I'm going to display them again, and I'm going to use the combining of two tables, employees and office. First syntax, select last name, first name, email, address line 1, address line 2, phone, country, from employees, inner join, offices alias on E dot office code or country France or country UK. I'm gonna run this. So we can see now the last name, first name, email, address line 1, address line 2, their phone, their country. The second syntax, I'm going to copy this, Control C, then paste, then I'm going to edit them, change this, using office code Hold this one. Then I'm gonna run this. Yun. Your same output. The task 4. Task 4 is display the product name, quantity in stock, and text description of all products sold by the vendor, Classic Metal Creations. Okay sir, combining two tables again, the products and product lines. The syntax 1, select product name, quantity in stock, text description, product vendor, from products inner join, product lines on PR dot product line equals P dot product line product vendor classic metal creations. I'm going to run this. Syntax. Yun. As we can see now, the product name, the quantity, stock, text description, product vendor, from the Classic Metal Creations. Second syntax, I'm gonna copy this again. Control C, Control V, then edit, remove the alias, then this one, change them to using product line, then run again, then same output. The last task 5. Display the customer name, order number, order date, status, and customer number of all orders of customers which is either cancelled or on hold. Okay sir, combining two tables, customers and orders. Okay sir, the first syntax, select customer name, order number, order date, status, customer number, from customers C, alias C, inner join orders O on that C, customer customer number equals 0, customer number where status cancelled or status on hold. I'm going to run this syntax. Yun. As we can see now, the customer name, order number, order date, the status, and customer number. We can see the status that scroll. Oh, there's the on hold. Then the next syntax using Control C. I'm gonna paste. Then this is the output. Okay, sir. That's all. Hopefully, sir, I answered the task correctly, and that's all, sir. Thank you.